I'd like to tell you a little bit about an ivory glitter lace called Unity, which has a very striking and Art Deco-esque design. It's been made by embellishing an ivory tool base with glitter, which really shimmer in the light. I'm just going to walk around to the side of the table because I think this is the best way to show you the layout of the design. So there's these two rows from which the lines radiate. So you could use this particular design in a variety of different ways. But I'd imagine this would probably be the hemline of the dress, of the feet. And that would be the chest line. But of course, that's totally your call. It's available from stock without minimum quantity. And we very much hope you'll take us up on our free sample offer. Just have a look at our website to order your samples there.